What's going on, everyone? My name is Sweaty Gangster. Yes, I realize it has been a while since I made a video. I've been working on this one for quite a while, making sure I get some good clips instead of some shitty clips. It's a shotgun montage. If you've seen any Vanos videos, you know what I'm talking about. So sit back and enjoy this shit. Alright, that'll do it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if you want to see more of this. And a few new things. If you haven't noticed, I sound amazing thanks to my new microphone. And I just bought Titanfall with the Xbox One, so get ready for some of that. Sweaty Gangster out. That was fucking homosexual.